Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on the lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Good morning, Langling! Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, beautiful! Are you excited for Christmas? Hey? Hello, Langling! Look at you, beautiful girl! Good morning! Ah, Baba. Beautiful. What did Kuya do? What did Kuya do? Let's see what Kuya did. What did you do, Kuya? Show me. Show me the Christmas tree. What did you do? Show me the Christmas tree.
1 minute later.
Show me the tree. No, not that one. Show me what you did to the tree. Hello, boy. Do you want to turn it on? No, not that. Do you want to turn on the Christmas tree?
No, it's hard.
It's hard. You can do it. Careful.
It's looking. It's this.
Yeah. Oh, don't do that. Santa will be here tonight. Yeah, he will be here tonight. He will drop the presents off.
And then see my watch.
Oh, do you want him to see your watch? Do you want to show him?
Yeah,
What are you going to say to him?
and my present.
Oh. What present did you ask from Santa?
Spider-Man watch?
Did you ask for a Spider-Man watch?
Yes.
I think you asked for a sword.
No, it's my watch.
Okay. Oh, hindi.
Other.
Tingnan niyo yung ginawa niya sa mga ano namin. Ito yung ginawa niya. So, pagbaba namin ni Dan, ganito sila. Silang tatlo talaga. Tapos, inayos namin. Binalik namin. Sabi ni Dan, 1 minute later, ginanito na naman ni Arlo. Iba rin talaga. I-put away ko na yan. Very soon.
Daddy
Arlo,
did that.
who did that?
Daddy.
Daddy did it? What did he do?
I put up there.
He put it up there.
I put up
This one?
there. I put up there.
Ah, Ayla. Yeah, Ayla's up there. That's Ayla. Ang cute.
That.
That's Ate Ayla. And there's another one here. Asan yung mukha ni ate? Asan na yun?
That's one.
Asan na yung mukha ni ate?
Red.
Not that one. Ate's face. Where's Ate's face?
Up there.
Yeah, there's one more though. It's
Up
gone.
there.
Kung ano naman pinagbibitay nyo dyan mga guys.
Bruno. It's
Ito, may mukha ba to ni Ayla?
It's Bruno.
No, not that one. Meron pang isa na may mukha niya na wala na.
What's his name?
Ah, ito. Dara, Arlo. Oh, ang cute. Ang cute. Tingnan nyo, oh, kung ano-ano na lang talaga pinagagawa nyo, pinagbibitay nyo sa Christmas tree natin. Silly Elf is there too.
Daddy, Mom.
Daddy's upstairs. Good morning. Let's make pancakes. It's already 11:12. Nag-sleep in ang mga tao. Actually, kami ni Indy kanina pa kami gising. Si Dan yung kakabangon lang. Kumain na yan sila ng breakfast, but we will eat again. Ito lang yung buttermilk pancake. Lagyan ng tubig. Halo-halo. Pancake ate. With strawberries and maple syrup. How does that sound?
Help you.
You will help me? Yes, please.
Christmas icicle.
Is that a Christmas icicle? Oh my gosh, show the guys. Ang hilig niya magagawa ng mga ganyan. Kung tali-tali niya, kung ano-ano pinaglalagay niya.
Can I make it?
You can help me.
I wanna put it.
Uy, oh my gosh.
I wanna put it, Mommy.
Yeah, you can help me. Hi, Alo, do you want to help me?
I'll help you.
Okay, you can help me.
I'm gonna get it too.
Yeah, please, thanks guys. So today's the 24th of December. Kung sa atin yan, sa Pilipinas, meron tayong Noche Buena, di ba? But sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys, habang kakasimula pa lang ng vlog, wala kaming Noche Buena. There's no point na magluto ng marami or maghanda ng marami kasi hindi namin makakain. Bukas kasi, 25, pupunta kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan para brunch. So, doon kami mag-brunch. Tapos, sa gabi, pupunta ata kami kina Sharon para makiswimming. And then, sa 26, yun yung family gathering namin. Doon kina Sharon naman. Tapos, sa 27 na kami alis. So, ayokong magluto ng marami kasi I know masasayang. Walang kakain. Plus, hindi din talaga nagno-Noche Buena dito. This year, hindi kami ng Pilipinas because obviously we have a 3-month-old. Wala pa nga 3 months yan. Magti 3 months pa lang. Kaya kami umuwi nung June, July ng Pinas kasi alam namin hindi kami makakauwi ng Pasko. Alright, we need to do this because Indy's sleepy. Alright, you know what? I will come back, okay guys? I just need to put Indy down. She will sleep straight away. I'll be back.
No, he's happy, Mom.
No, she's not happy. Look at her.
He's happy.
She.
He's happy.
She's not happy.
He's happy.
Talk to her, and then she will be happy. Go.
You're happy.
Are you happy?
No. I have...
Yeah, you're happy. Alo's happy. How about you, Ate? Are you happy today? Santa's coming very soon.
I see my watch and...
Oh, you want to show him your watch. Alright, I'll just put Indy down. It will be really quick. Careful with that, Ayla.
He's happy, Mom.
Is she? Are
Yes.
you happy, Lamili?
Yes, he's happy.
She's happy but very sleepy lang, no?
He's sleepy and no. Pete Aya. Yes. You? He's angry, you Aya. He's funny Aya. Look, Aya, he's funny. Mom, look. Mommy, I just did this.
What happened, guys?
I just wanted to do this.
Okay.
To do a circle.
Let's see.
To be purple and white.
Yeah, so she's not
Purple.
sleeping yet, but
He's happy.
she's happy. She's
Sleeping.
not yet. Show the guys. Do you want to show the guys?
Look, he's sleeping.
She's not sleeping yet, but she's getting there. She's really good.
It's really
Alright, guys, come on. Alright, ready, guys?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Okay.
Do you want a Brachiosaurus pancake?
No,
What do you want? Just a pancake?
I want a butterfly pancake.
Yeah, butterfly.
Pancake.
Ready? Alright, come on.
Mom.
Yeah, your turn after Arlo.
No.
Wait, I'll put it here. And then you pour. Alright, that's enough. Good job, Ayla.
Help me.
You wanna help Arlo?
Me.
Your turn next. Arlo's turn next, okay? We take turns.
Butter and that makes pancake.
Did you guys buy more strawberries or this is everything we have? We have a lot of peanuts, guys. Binigyan na naman kami ng peanuts ng kapitbahay namin. Binigyan nila kahapon. Ito. Tapos ang dami pa kasi meron pang binigyan yung kliyente nila na malaki. Nandun naman sa taas.
Oh, it is sleeping, Mom.
Yep, she is.
I don't
Ooh.
want pancake.
You want pancake?
Guys,
Do you want this one?
like this.
Okay. Do you want it now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want me to cut it?
Yes.
Cut it? Okay. Are you a happy boy? I love you.
This Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
It's sandwich.
It is a sandwich. Do you want strawberries as well?
Yes.
Okay. Where is your plate?
I don't know.
You don't know? What? You don't know where your plate is?
I eat it.
Okay, go eat it now. It is so yummy. That is so yummy, Arlo. Do you want more? Where's ate? Ito yung kay daddy, guys. 2 strawberry na lang natira. So, kinat ko na lang siya into thin slices. Para medyo makalat, madami tingnan. Kasi may tirador ng strawberry dito sa katabi ko. Ang daming kinaing strawberry. Ihatid natin sa office niya kasi nag-work. Tingnan yung Santa. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka na pupunta, sir? Ino ng mga bata. Tama na, sir. Ingay-ingay mo. Let's turn you off. Ang ingay-ingay mo. Balik ka, balik. Ang cute ng mga bata kanina. They were dancing. As in, ang cute-cute ni Ayla. May mga step-step siya. Post ko yun sa Facebook. Alis sila, guys. Kasi meron akong gagawing pasikwarto. Hindi ko yun magagawa kapag nandito sila. So, ialis sila ni Dan ko saglit. Para magawa ko yun. Hello, guys. Hello, I love your outfit. Who is it?
It's a shoes.
T-Rex.
It's a shoes.
Oh, I love your shoes. Yeah, I think you have the best shoes. Oh, I love your shoes, girl.
Yeah, that's it.
Good job, guys. Where are you guys going?
To McDonald's.
Oh!
McDonald's.
What?
Is it?
Really?
Yeah. Nanny.
Your nanny's house?
Yes.
Aww. Bye, guys.
My helmet?
Do you want to bring your helmet?
Yes.
No, you don't need it. Silly Billy.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, kids. Let's do this. So, irarap ko lang naman yung mga regalo, guys. Para mamayang gabi, ilalagay ko na lang sila under the tree. And then bukas, they will open it. Alright. Let's sort out everything first. Irarap ko na lahat. Ito yung binili ko sa Mecca na ito sana yung ireregalo ko sa Kris Kringle ni Dan. So yung Kris Kringle ni Dan is yung kambal niya. Yung kambal niya yung nabunot niya, guys. So nung nagpunta ako ng Mecca, nung last pa, nung bumili ako ng regalo ng mga teachers, binilhan ko na din siya. Alam ko mahilig siya sa mga Hello. Hoy!
This way. One each.
Yeah. Mahilig siya sa mga simpulan lang ng mga makeup. Most more on skincare siya, ganun. So, binilhan ko siya nitong SPF 20 lip protectant. Pero, nag-wishlist siya mga, ewan ko, ilang days later, a week later. So, yung binili ko is yung nasa wishlist niya, guys. So, ibibigay ko na lang to sa iba. Yeah, so yan sana yung ibibigay ko at saka ito. Tapos, yung nabunot ko, hindi ko alam kung ako yung nakabunot or isa sa mga kids, nag-request din ng voucher. Yun yung wishlist niya. So, binili ko yung voucher from Cotton On. So, ito yung nasa wishlist ng kambal ni Dan. Pwede ko na itong ipakita kasi ma-upload tong video na to tapos na yung aming Kris Kringle. As if naman, nanonood yun. Hindi yun nanonood. So, ito yung nasa wishlist niya. Kaya lang $45 lang to. So, bumili din kami ng, chocolates. And ito yung binili ko kay Holly kasi nabunot ng isa sa mga kids ko nung friend's Christmas party is si Holly. So, ito yung binili ko sa kanya from Zara. Tapos, ito naman yung wishlist ng nabunot ng isa sa kids sa Kris Kringle namin nga sa family. So, yung nabunot is si Hugo, pamangkin ni Dan. And he requested this. At saka that. Para yan sa bike niya. Family Kris Kringle is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sino yung isa? Sino yung isa? Ito. Ito yung isa. I-open ko muna to para ma-check natin kung yan ba talaga yun. Check lang natin. Tagal na nito dumating. So, sana ito yun. Kasi kung hindi ito yun, ewan ko. Nabunot namin is si Eli. And ito yung request niya. So, sa Family Kris Kringle, $50 lahat. And then, yung sa kids. So, let's see, guys. Kasi yung mga in-order ni Dan, hindi ko pa nakita. Tadaan! So, hindi ko alam kung irarap ko lahat. Kasi, yung mga nandito kasi is present from Santa. And then, yung mga binili ko to take with us sa road trip. Kasi 27 road trip na namin guys. So after ng family Kris Kringle namin, which is gonna be on the 26th, diretso na kami sa road trip namin. So itong mga to is mga activities to take with us sa aming road trip. So I got Ayla this Color Your Own Unicorn set, and then ito kay Arlo dinosaur set. She's been really into unicorns lately. I got them this water art para sa kanilang dalawa yan. And then I got them watercolor, tapos maraming pages itong para hopefully hindi sila kailangan mag-phone kapag kumakain kami sa labas, ganun. So, we'll see. I-open muna natin yung iba, yung si Dan yung nag-order, and then we will figure out kung ano yung irarap natin. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I will do white for Ate, blue for Arlo. Tapos na. Pauwi na sila guys. Mga 10 minutes nandito na yun. This is for Ayla. Ilagay lang natin under the stairs kasi mamayang gabi ko pa to ilalagay under the Christmas tree. Ito naman kay Arlo pero meron pang dalawa doon. Gawa tayo ng fruit salad, guys. Hindi ko sana ito gagawin today kasi ang laki. At sabi ko, dalhin ko na lang yung iba bukas. Kasi sa gabi, pupunta kami sa bahay nila Sharon. Baka maglangoy-langoy kami dun. So, yung kakainin namin mamaya is yung dinner lang namin, guys. Walang special na handa. Kasi kung nasa Cebu tayo ngayon, ano na tayo, lelechon na tayo. Condensed milk. Ayan na, tapos na guys. Lagay lang natin to sa freezer. Ang sarap-sarap na ito mamaya. At saka bukas. Ang aking paborito. Ang sarap-sarap na ito guys. Kain. Hello. Naligo na kami ng mga bata. Nakapajamas na yung mga bata. Christmas pajamas. Ang cute-cute nila. Let's make brownies for Santa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagamitin ko. Kung ito or ito. Parang ito yung brand na gamit ko. Kaya lang parang iba yung itsura. Let's do this one. 2 eggs. So pwede butter. Pwede din vegetable oil. I'll just do vegetable oil actually. Brownie, egg, butter. So kapag nag-vegetable oil ka, mag-add ng tablespoon of water. That was quick, guys. That's it. Lagyan ko lang ng baking paper yan. Nagmamadali ako kasi nilagyan ko ng hair removal cream sa likod. Kakailanganin niya tulong ko pag nasa shower na siya. Tapos kailangan na niyang i-remove yung mga buhok or yung cream sa likod. What do you have for Santa?
A Spider-Man.
Oh, what do you have there? What's that?
Cake.
Cake?
Yeah, the chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake for Santa?
Yeah.
And what else? What's the drink?
A Santa.
Is that for Santa? Guys, that's for Santa. Because is he coming tonight?
Yes.
What is he doing tonight?
Spider-Man.
Is he dropping presents?
Yes. It's in my Spider-Man present. It's in the T-Rex.
Spider-Man or Captain America?
Spider-Man.
Is it a Captain America you asked for?
Yes. He come here. He forget.
Oh!
I did.
You pulled, you farted.
I farted.
Silly.
And milk and chocolate.
Yeah, milk and chocolate for Santa. Okay?
Chocolate.
And Ate's coming because she's gonna write a note to Santa. Are you gonna help Ate?
Yes.
Okay.
You got this extra colour.
Go sit there, Ate, so you
have
can
those two
draw.
colours. And then Mama can write a note to Santa. Or help
I
you.
know. I know to write lava.
Okay. What do you guys wanna
This.
say to Santa? It's okay, that's for me. What do you guys wanna say to Santa? I'll
Here.
work that.
Mama
Huh?
got one as well. Thank you for the presents. Should we say, I hope you like the brownies and milk?
What do you wanna draw, Alo?
Help me.
You help you with what?
I draw mom.
Draw. Okay, I'll let you draw here. Under Mama's note. What are you gonna draw?
At this.
Hmm?
Can I have a pen, Mommy? Help me, Mom. Help me.
Okay. Let's put from Alo. Let's write your name. Come on. Here, I'll help you. Let's write your name, okay? Let's say A-R-L-O and a love heart.
I do it.
Good job.
Oh. And then this.
And then, do you want me to help you put your name here, baby?
No.
Okay?
Well, my name.
Okay, you can put your name there too.
Can you write my name? Because I can't do the S. You can do the I. What's the
Okay,
mom?
I'll help you.
I can't do it. I can do it. I can't do it S. I only can do it S.
Okay, do I.
I.
Oh, that's A.
This one. This
Oh,
one.
well done!
Awesome.
You did an A.
Yes. I can't do it.
L. Do an L. A. S. Well done! And then I. Do an I up here.
I got
Just Just a line. Just a line. There you go. I-S-L-A. You did it, girl. You're so good at doing the A. Seriously.
The A is more easier.
Yeah.
Look, Mom.
Okay.
Look.
We can leave it here so Santa can see this when he comes in to leave the presents. Alright, guys?
I want to write it more on the back.
Oh, do you want to write more?
Yeah. Mom.
Aloe, you did great. You put aloe and you scratch out everything. That's good. So Santa's gonna come in and then Santa's gonna leave presents. Aloe, what are you gonna say to Santa? Oh, Captain America? Are you excited for Captain America?
Got it. This
Oh, fantastic. That was great, Princess. You will love it.
This.
Good job, Aloe.
This Santa.
You did that.
Santa.
Alright, we put the note here for Santa to see. And then we'll put his brownie there and his milk. Isla, where are you gonna put your note? Under the tree. Oh, that's a good idea. Do you think Santa will finish the brownie? What do you think? He leaves crumbs. Daddy, he leaves crumbs. Santa leaves crumbs.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh.
Let's see.
Who's going to clean up the crumbs tomorrow?
Me.
Okay. You too?
Aw.
Me. He does all the little plants.
Is he gonna leave the crumbs on the plate? Yeah? Oh my gosh, are you so excited, Aloe? He's coming to leave your presents.
Oh my god, imagine all the presents tomorrow. How cool is that going to be?
Yeah.
And you guys have been good.
No.
Good night, Aloe. See you tomorrow.
No.
Yes, we'll see you tomorrow.
No.
Why not? Are you gonna wait for Santa here?
Good morning.
You wanna wait?
Wait.
Oh, good luck.
Can I write your song?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that.
You wanna wait for Santa?
No, but then he might not come if he knows we're waiting for him.
Yeah.
We might scare him off.